Okay, this video is to show you how to purchase your yearbook or your dedication or advertisement for the St. George yearbook. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the website ybpay.lifetouch.com. And then you're going to enter our school ID code, which is on the flyer posted on Facebook, but the code is also 7563422. And once you enter that code, this is important. Even if you want an advertisement, you're still going to click purchase a yearbook. Just ignore those bottom two options. Enter your student's name. I'm going to enter my son's name just as an example. Select your student's grade. Okay, and then this is where you choose if you're doing an advertisement. If you're just doing a dedication page or an advertisement, if you're a business maybe, you're going to click down here. If you're just doing a yearbook, click yearbook. If you're doing a yearbook plus a dedication page, you have your two options, your full page and your half page. So after you choose your option, so I'm going to click full page ad and yearbook, you click next. Then you're going to enter all of your billing information and then your payment information. This is important. If you're just purchasing a yearbook, you are done. Nothing else needed. If you are purchasing a dedication page, you will get a separate email with your information on how to log in to create that page. I am creating a separate a video for that information on how to create your ad. So check back to Facebook or check... I will link it to Facebook. I will link it to a YouTube account so that you can look on there on how to create your ad. If you need anything, please contact Miss Courtney at the school and she will make sure that you get in the right place. Thank you.